Good afternoon, friends. Just waiting for the buses going to Aurangabad today. Again via Benz bus of Humsafar Travels, which is a premium class one. The tickets are really costly. It's just 10 minutes left, and this is the Margaon main station, bus station behind KTC. It is here. So when the bus, all the buses are there, which are going. So ours will be Bharat Benz, same of the Mercedes company, and last time which I had covered. So this time also it will be similar, but this time it will be going from Sawantwadi via that route, and it will definitely take around 14 hours to reach Aurangabad. So until then, I'll let you know when the bus comes. Some of the buses and the attendant just called me saying that he saw me also from there, and he said that you are ready at the exit point. So because I definitely cover all their buses, that's the main thing. So I'll update you when the bus comes. And this is again one more Volvo of Atmaram. If you see here, this is also of Atmaram's. So until then, again I'll update you. That's the intercity one, and there's the Dolphin. It's also Bharat Benz bus, and that's the local KTC stand. We are in Margaon. So now our journey will be in Panjim. We'll be reaching there by 6:30 and Mapsa 7:30, and then from there the direct journey starts. So friends, this is the bus which is on the Mercedes Benz or Bharat Benz we called it, because Mercedes when it designs the buses, it designed with a Bharat Benz one. So this is the logo, and it's such a big huge bus which I'll cover when it stops again. See, and these are all the compartments here where the goods are stored, and these are the two-story one. It's a complete bedroom one, premium class bus experience you get. There are single bedroom and double bedroom inside the bus, and this is the emergency exit from here. Okay, I'll cover it later. Bus from inside, how it looks. Humsafar Travel. This is a Benz engine, and this is a for them. And see the bedroom. This is single bedroom here, single bedroom, double. So exclusive, I have to take before the passengers come in, because the bus is today running full. This is the bedroom, double ones. I'll show you from the down. Double bedrooms with this speakers, everything is there, Wi-Fi, plus they serve you with food and all. So just to overlook a view, it looks exactly like a plane inside in my last video. So that's the again emergency exit, and full cameras are there. This is going to be my bedroom with double bedroom, curtains for the privacy, then the charging points are there, speakers for the announcement and all, and very comfortable it is. You can keep your bags and all, everything. And one more bed is here, and these are the single ones here. From this angle you can see it like this, the lightings and all. This we are standing now near the KTC new bus stand at the back, and the time also shows 5:40, like 43 it is. So I prefer going in this, because when you're in this type of Benz buses, Mercedes Benz logos are there, see, everywhere. There's a full air condition, the interiors, the crew calls you up 1 hour before and tells you, ask you where. So there's no, it looks like an aeroplane from inside, going in a plane. I'll update you later on for something. So since I had taken first permission, see, this is the interior of my bedroom. 2 pillows will be there, everything. My luggage I have kept now, bag, this, and there is more luggage which I have put it at the back side, like trees and all, to take at my mama's place. So one more, this is there. So only I will be sleeping, because I booked both, because I can sleep, no one bothering me. Because this is little, see, my luggage is more, so the small one bed is so small. And these are the premium ones. If you see, it will be written Elite Humsafar's premium ones, because it's on the ground, and the top ones are cheaper little tickets, You can check out on their website. The rates goes on up and down. So they will call it as a premium. And these buses are obviously built by Satluj and the chassis of Mercedes-Benz. Now I'm saying Bharat Benz because the Mercedes is a luxurious company which makes consumer vehicles, and Bharat Benz they call because Mercedes has designed these buses according to our Indian roads. The interiors are mind blowing. See the interiors. You close this and all. If you can latch it from inside, so the full bedroom. This and there's also a toilet here in the bus. There's a toilet. I think so at the back side. I'll show you later on. But this is the main engine here. And Humsafar Travel, it's written. Designed by Satluj. And this is the driver's thing. The bus is on. The ACs are on. And this is the Marga. It's now the rains have just stopped. This is a premium elite class bus. You see, it comes under. It's actually called 5-star hotel on the wheels because these buses don't even shake. They provide with you all meals. There are different plans. All meals. Alcohol is not provided. They have stopped it. In Goa, this is looked after by Atmaram Travels. And you can book via Atmaram Travels or by Humsafar Travels. So actually it was done through Atmaram once, and I took the permission to first come in so I can shoot the vlog and I will not disturb any clients here. So 10 minutes before they have stopped anyone entering the bus so I can shoot from inside. So now exactly the bus should have left here at 5:45, but because of me it is now showing 5:50, so I'll just stop the. This is also the captain of the bus who's come. So they look after you very well. So he's come to tell me that now he's letting in the passengers because the bus is already 5 minutes late because of me. It's 17:50. So he said just go and take your seat. Yeah, I think you should all visit like this on this. It look like interiors. These lights and all will go in the night. I'll show you this Mandavi Bridge, Juari Bridge and all from this. Till then, I'm just taking one small nap for 1 hour. So now I'll try to open the window. See outside. The AC is so chilled. That's the intercity. One more Bharat Benz sitting class. It is not a sleeper. Then that's the purple bus on. It's not on the Volvo. It's on the Ashoka Leyland engine. And those are all Jolly Travels local ones. And that's the Sapphire Hotel which you can see. Now the climate is little clear. And now the people have started to board in the bus. I can see because their bags and all are started. Already 10 minutes late we are. So I think so the bus will start here from at around 6 o'clock now. So hope you enjoy my blog. Do like, subscribe, and I'll keep updated you now with the Panjim one. Hi friends, I'm sitting in my room and trying to close it so I can speak. This is the double. This is actually the feel of going premium class. See, like this. This it comes like this. Sleep. And it says Humsafar Travels here on this. So this is my seat, and I'm just trying to sit now and relax. I'm trying to sit and relax. So wanted to show you the interior, how it looks. Very professional. See, bed, full-fledged bed. Still space is there for my legs to go there. And if I sleep fully also, it's like sleeping in a hotel room. You can close this window if you can't open the main glasses and all. But yeah, the AC is so cold. These are the duct of the AC. These are the lights. these are the something I think to keep the phone. If you want to start the lights, you need to press the switches. Yeah, these are the lights. These are the charging ports. That's the speaker there for announcement, emergency things and all. Anything like toilet and all, he'll do it. And it's like these lights actually look very good in the night. They have only started one now, and these are the actually so as a night lamps also. So dark it is if you close, and this try to open up. Yeah, passengers have started to come, but that's why I closed the curtains of it. You can change the curtains of it. So now I'll show you Panjim. Hope you have seen this bus interiors, and there are 2 ACs here and 1 AC is here for your legs. Three ACs. So it's so chilling. So they have given you two blankets. One blanket is here, one blanket is here again, and there is a lot of space. Thanks guys. Right now we are in Banda, and this is how the Mercedes-Benz sleep, and with the Michelin tires again, which I said last time also the same thing, and it's Humsafar Travels now. One more bus is coming, but it's on Ashoka Leyland premium one. So this is the back side of this. That's the Atmaram bus. That's also a Bharat-Benz one. So this is our see the Humsafar design and all from outside. Looks exactly like a lighting systems and all, everything from here. Basic look of it from far away view. Okay, this is the Bharat-Benz one, intercity one. Has a capacity of 40 total. So last time we covered this bus, and we had taken the route of Solapur of last. So this time it was from via Kankavli, Sawantwadi, and now more 28 stops will be there until we reach the second last junction, and then near the DMart it will halt. From DMart main Humsafar depot, bus goes to Shirdi. So this is the intercity smart bus. The down part is the sitting one, and top one is a sleeper. That's the Ashoka Leyland one by Veera. It's national. But see our intercity. Only Humsafar buses look so colorful from outside, inside, with highly suspension. If you notice. The back side.
आज भेजता हूँ भेजो सुबह देगा ना
Okay, it's time to say good night. Now tomorrow morning, during the tea break, I'll be doing the shoot. Bye. Good night. So, hi friends. This is from the outside, of the bus. I came inside my room. It's so cold outside, and here it is more cold. So I had to switch off my ACs and all. Took my blanket. So now it is around 9:40, and just had my lunch, dinner. Sorry, they had at around 8:30. They had given the starters and all, which included garlic, butter garlic naan or cheese garlic naan, which was a choice as a parcel. And then they had offered us the dinner, which had also a choice of a parcel, or either you have it in the restaurant. So as I took a walk, and this bus halted for 45 minutes, and I had a chicken biryani with a gravy, raita in little quantities. And the restaurant was nice. It's called Sai Dandakshmi restaurant. After Banda it was. They called it Sindhudurga, but I'll just check on the GPS and update you inside, because I was live trekking. Little cold I have, but today I'm better. I need to take the tablets of my cold. So time to say good night. And it's so chilling, so I just switch these lights. They will ask them, and they said that they will switch off these lights here and here. So hope you saw the bus from outside. It's very pleasurable journey, it's really safe. The people are very nice. Elite people are there, and this type of buses are called Elite Premium type Sutlej Bharat Benz buses, which are very limited, and the tickets really differ, and how you book, how often you book, and that's how it depends on it. And what to say, there are a lot of children. I enjoyed talking with them in this trip. So now they will take a midnight halt. I'd asked the pilot of the bus, who is the driver, they call it a pilot, and the attendant. Then around 1:30 they will take a stop somewhere around Karad, something he said. So in case if anyone want to go for toilets and all, use the loos, they can use the loos. Otherwise this also route is very safe. Like last time it was Solapur, so this Sawantwadi side is very, and Sawantwadi looks really good at night. Highly developments are taking place. I've seen from Porvorim to here, the bridge has been started, and different point they are doing the four-way corridor lane. So it is like a attached bridge from Goa to so it will go to Pune. Regarding this bus reaches around 4:20 to Pune. It takes a stop first at Swargate, then Shivaji Nagar, and 2 more stops in Pune, and then it directly enters Aurangabad. That's what the plan that showed it to me. And rest everything, just tired, happy to see people. So cold. Something different from Goa. And if I'm awake in the midnight, I'll just take a shoot, because I could not shoot the bus properly because they are clustered everywhere. So half parts I had to trim and shoot, and that's it. See in the midnight if I get up, or in the morning breakfast, and then directly when I meet Mama, because he's just trekking this. It is a surprise for everyone. No one knows except Mama that I'm coming in Aurangabad. So everyone will be suddenly surprised there. So my mom, dad, they had called me, brother called me. Brother is actually trekking. So he informed my mom where I have reached, where we have stopped. So that's how. So Mama told me any medical emergency, any midnight, just give him a ring, he will sort it out. And always he has done that, like that. Because of more cold, I can't even properly speak. Yesterday also my throat was very bad. Still, saying to all my subscribers, very good night. Have a nice sleep. I'll also have a nice sleep. If I wake in the midnight, I'll definitely do a shoot. If it stops in the jungle also. Okay, good night. Take care. Hi friends, it's 1:45 in the midnight. So we stopped somewhere near one of the restaurant where you get gulcha cha, and from there the bus looks. See, all these cubes and all you see is one bedroom. That's how it is. Okay, so all the buses stop here. On this side itself, one now is coming of that. So that's it. So it's magnificent color it looks. Chalo then, good night. Good morning friends. Currently it's early morning at around 3:30 and we have stopped at the FlexiPay TransConnect. This is the TransConnect which you can see for the washrooms and tea and all, everything lounge is there. Especially for the Humsafar travel bus, and our bus is parked here in front of the petrol pump. So yeah, you can clearly see the bus now from here in this distance. So the lights are still on. All the rooms are, the people are awake, so all the lights are on of it. It's auto fueling station. Yeah. They're doing the fueling. Petrol is 10, diesel 89.92. It's a Jio Bio 50 petrol pump. It's so chilled here. So you can see these compartments are one double bedrooms all. So you can count how many bedrooms are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. There are 12 on one side. So you can see clearly here. Climate is also so cool. It's the logo here again. So it's a premium elite one. So repeat and do. So next will be the Solapur route. This is the Sawantwadi route. It was. So in the start, it looks like this. And now the outside lights are turned off. But still it looks very cute. So we counted 6 and this side double bedrooms are 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 on the 12, 12 to the 24 bedrooms it has. So it's a full-fledged 24 bedroom hotel on the wheels. See, it says eat. You get, I'll zoom it out and show it to you. It says eat, sleep, travel and repeat is a slogan. So this is a bathroom here. If you see, this side is a bathroom. This section is a bathroom, place for the drivers and all. So you see the cubicles 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So on one side it is 12, another side it is 12. And the down part, 1.5 meter, is all the area where they store all the customers' cargo, plus they take courier services and all. So it's stored there. So that's all. Now time to go. there's a count taking place, so everyone is there. That's now reached. See you next again. Good morning, friends. Just reached Pune. See, Pune metro has been done here. I'll open my. So this is Pune metro. Pune metro. Time exactly is 5:5 in the mornings. So I told the attendant to wake me up when we are in Pune. This is Bank of Maharashtra, biggest bank. So he did his work. So this I'll be separately covering. In my holiday again I'll come here. Or same Humsafar Travels. Because Humsafar Travels are very lazy. It's like seeing outside your window. This is Sancheti main hospital of Pune. Sancheti. See how big it is. We are on the flyover next to Sancheti. It's fogging outside. This is the railway tracks here.
बैठो 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 पापा लाइकन को देखिएगा
Exactly, there was 1 hour delay. We were supposed to reach here at 4:5. And now we are heading towards Aurangabad. friends, we are on the highway and stopped for a brief breakfast here. And the bus is standing here. See how the bus looks in the morning session. The main highway. And here's the restaurant. Here's the toilet. It's very clean restaurant and all. So I will take you for a round of the bus. This might be the last stop until we reach Aurangabad. We had just covered up Pune also. So that once the video is done, I'll process it and mix it with that. So this is the back side. And this. Yeah. So this is our bus ending here. These are the Michelin tires which I have mentioned in all my blogs. I love them because they take a shock. You don't even feel. That's the window open of my double bedroom. Means the curtain is open, not the window. You can't open the window. So 86. Okay, briefly I'll tell about you the bus. This is the premium class one, Mercedes-Benz. It is the body is built by Satledge. The AC is of the Valsium Industries, and the tickets of this particular bus are not available online, and all you need to do purposely, because it's like a vanity van it is, okay, and because it comes under the premium elite class, where it's used for the actors, celebrities and all, and for some celebrity wedding. So there are no seaters and all inside. Everything is a bedroom. So normally you need to speak with the customer care and then book it. For me, for the vlogs and all, they give it to me. Normally, for me, they give me double bedroom. So that's how. The cost depends upon 5,600, 7,000, 8,000 according to the season and how much ticket you are booking on it. The normal Humsafar ticket might cost you around 2,000, 3,000, 4,000. Normal sleeper ones without food, anything. And but it will have all the facilities which I say. The drivers are really good. We don't call them drivers here. We call them pilots, and the attendants, crew members are there, those who will look after. And because the AC is so chilled this way, so I feel the heat here now. We are somewhere on the border of Aurangabad. Soon we'll be reaching Aurangabad. So I thought it is like a industrial station. And thanks for our Mahesh attendant used to continuously come and wake me up whenever the bus is to stop anyway. So I will cover the full trip of it, because this was via Sawantwadi. Earlier it was from Solapur one. And when I'm coming back, means I'll be going 2 days after that to Pune. So I'll go by Humsafar and see that ride. But I already have seen how Humsafar from Pune to Aurangabad is coming. It will be similar. So I'll do something different, go in a taxi something. So our members see something different. And definitely while going home, it will be Humsafar. I don't choose any other bus because it's so safe and all for me. And that's it. This is the restaurant, very clean, hygienic, and the food is not that costly. Cheaper than Goa, what I'll say. And if you want to book Humsafar bus, then go on www.humsafar.bus.in or atmarambus.in. Okay, or you can easily go on Red Bus or Make My Sleep also. Thank you. Hi friend, just got down from the bus and now we are going home. The bus was delayed for half an hour, so could not shoot there because it was just for 2 minutes the bus was, and I had to do a lot of my luggage and all. So I thought I'll. And this is Aurangabad. Now they call it Chhatrapati Sambhaji Nagar. With so much of load. So this was one of the best journeys. The buses and all. From the red bus, they gave me a wake-up call. My mama obviously gave me a wake-up call first. Then my mommy gave me. After red bus gave me, then Humsafar Travel called me up and said within 5 minutes pack your luggage and be ready. And then his attendant also came and told me which luggage has to be shifted. I told I am carrying my luggage. He just opened the door and he was missing. So I was suspicious. I was searching and I am seeing him. He's opened the door and he's standing there. So only my luggage was supposed to be removed from there. So now we are going to Mama's place traveling. And this is the last segment of Humsafar. Okay, now we'll be doing Aurangabad and all that thing stuff. And Pune temple, Dagdu Shet and all. Probably this weekend. Hopefully. Okay, bye, take care. Because I have a lot of work to do now. Unpacking is there. Want to see what is done and what not done. Okay, see you, chal, bye.